The results are back, and the diagnosis, well, unfortunately, it's data fragmentitis with complications of silo syndrome and quality deficiency. Let's break down the diagnosis by symptom. Silo syndrome. It's characterized by data scattered across multiple departments with little communication between them. Information's trapped in siloed systems, creating a lack of unified access. Teams like marketing, finance, sales are talking. Each department is guarding their data like it's buried treasure. Next, we have chronic inconsistencies. Well, your reports are showing different results depending on who runs them and when. It's like having three doctors diagnose the same patient with three completely different illnesses. We also have a duplication disorder. You have duplicates. Every time you try to consolidate data, it feels like you're cloning the same record 10 times over. As a result, you're calculating numbers that may be multiplied several times. It might look good on paper, sometimes, might not, but it's causing serious bloating in your systems. Slow data-itis. Queries and reports are taking longer than they should, leaving teams waiting. It's like they're being stuck in the doctor's office, paging through outdated magazines. Data retrieval is sluggish, causing delays in decision making. Accuracy anemia. Your data is low in key nutrients, accuracy, and completeness. Gaps are everywhere, leading to incomplete analysis and weak predictions. It's like trying to build a house on quicksand. As a kid, I always thought quicksand was going to be a lot bigger problem. Governance deficiency. Your data lacks a governing authority. Policies and rules are nowhere to be found. Compliance checks feel like they've fallen off the cliff. Data runs wild without boundaries or control. You might be violating some data privacy laws. Overinflation of unstructured data. Extremely common. But you've got heaps of unstructured data piling up, but no proper plan to make sense of it. It's like an overflowing filing cabinet where everything's dumped in, but nothing can be retrieved. Emails, social media, logs, they're all there, and it's a mess. You're probably wondering what the prognosis is. Well, without treatment, this condition could continue to sap productivity, inflate operational costs, and create a serious barrier to your AI and analytics efforts. Your teams will grow more frustrated, unable to rely on the data to make accurate decisions, and the gap between departments will widen. Luckily, we have a prescribed treatment plan. We're going to start with integration therapy. We're going to break down those silos with an enterprise data strategy. Next, we're going to need to include some governance medication, implementing data governance practices, assigning data stewards, establishing policies, and setting up automated checks to ensure compliance. And yes, we are going to need a deep data cleanse and deduplication surgery as part of the treatment. We're going to perform a thorough cleanse to remove duplicates and inaccuracies. It's time to cut out the excess and standardize. Lastly, AI and automation infusion. We need to introduce AI and machine learning to help automate processes and improve prediction accuracy.